folks, welcome back to my channel. This is Vijay Devanga. Hope all are doing great. In this video you are seeing the Scram 411 and I'll just show you. Guys, let's see the walk around of this bike, and the badging is next level guys. The Scram 411, and the bike looks amazing. Mainly all those minute details, and this meter looks same as the Meteors, and the badging is here 411. Oh my god, the seat grip and the tank grip is also good, and I have some issue with the tank. I'll just show you in a couple of moments. And all the lights are halogen, and there is a LED light here, and yep, this tire is for 19 inches, and this comes with 18 inches, and it may be 120 by 90, 17, sorry, it's 17 inches, and it's same as new classic tires, and this is 19, I guess 100 by 90, 100 by 90. Oh my god, and the attention to detail is crazy. And the engine is same from the Himalayan. I mean, if you rode the Himalayan, then the engine is same as that, and it is much more refined than it, and it has the grunt in it. And the changes are, there are no grills here, like I'll just post a picture of Himalayan, and see this is the new thing. This is the fiber, not metal. And we do miss rev meter here, the RPM one. Sorry for the background music, background noise. And we miss the RPM meter here. And the mirrors are also good. The view is okay. The seat is extremely comfortable. When we compare it to Himalayan, the seat comes with like split seats, and this is like a single seat, and these are grab rails. The headlight is also positioned little bit inside than Himalayan, and it gets dual channel ABS as well. Oh my god, this is attention killer guys. The attention to detail is crazy. Nowadays Royalenfield is getting into the segments like Scram 11, 411, and all these adventure tourers, and I guess I heard there is a Himalayan 650 as well coming, so stay tuned for that. And this has oil cooled engine, whereas classics get only air cooled engines. And it's fully accessorized like sump guard and all those stuff, but there is no engine guard yet. The attention to detail is crazy guys, so do check this, the 120 FPS shots, and enjoy. And folks, one more thing, the same tire comes with Himalayan, and it's 21 inches, and they have cut down to 19 inches for better grip for the ergonomics. And when I see this instrument cluster, I get Tram Speedwin in my mind, because I'll just post its picture side to you. If you're watching Sriman Kotaro's vlogs, then the instrument cluster looks the same as round one, and all the stuff is there.
And Sriman Kotaro owns a Speedwin,
and all Shriman Kotaro fans who are watching. Jai Shriman. And when we talk about switch quality and all those things, the switch quality is basic. It does not have any sort of modes or anything. There is the hazard light switch, as you are saying, it's blinking, and there is high beam and low beam. There is the pass switch. There is the indicators, honk, and yeah, there is this engine start switch, and there is the killer switch, and there is something I behind it, because to go with the it, as you are saying, trip A, trip B, and all those stuff comes in. Yeah, it's pretty good, and the quality of switchgear is also good, not bad. Himalayan has Royalenfield has done a very good job with it. It has written Himalayan Scram 411. The bike is extremely comfortable, the seat cushioning and all those stuff. And the problem which I said is my knee touch to the tank. I am like 6'1", and yeah, this thing is little bit And one more thing, let's listen to the exhaust note of this bike. It sounds same as Himalayan, but it has some grunt in it. Let's crank up the engine. But Royal Enfield has done very great job with this bike. Oh my god, it can go in first gear to 50 kilometers per hour and second gear 90 kilometers per hour, and that is mind boggling. The vibration is also cut down a lot. And yeah, here as you see, we have battery indicator, fuel indicator, and ABS, engine stuff. If you have any engine problem, the light here kick in. Yep, the bike is extremely comfortable, guys. The mirrors are also useful. Let us ride and see. So folks, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, do share, do comment, and do subscribe to the channel, because one giveaway is gonna come, and it's an iPhone. I'll reveal it in my next upcoming videos, so stay tuned. This is one of my favorite bikes out there, and I'll just do a deep review regarding this. Do subscribe to the channel. Crazy. Oh my god! Wow! Folks, the sales guy in this store was very friendly, and he let me to shoot inside the store. And thank you, Royal Enfield. Peace out.
आपके सामने एक बड़ा सा रेड बटन है। हाँ, है।
New video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please Okay, thank you.